What's good, YouTube? Back. See, I got the fiberglass hair on it. Well, as they call it, bundle hair. Bundle hair all around it. I'm gonna let this dry overnight because I like to let this dry overnight and then come back and start sanding it. Birds chirp. But yeah, see it? Fiberglass hair. I'm gonna do 2 coats of this. That's what I normally do. 2 coats of this and 2 coats of that fiberglass jelly. And then I use the body filler to fill in all my little nicks and knacks. But y'all see it, YouTube. Keep y'all updated and posted when I get the sanding and I put the jelly on it. Till then, I'm out. Good, YouTube. You what, Tweet G back with part 2 of that panoramic sunroof and my cutlass. This is the 2nd coat of fiberglass hair. Just got done sanding down. Now all I gotta do is fill in my highs and lows. Like it's a low spot, this right here. It's a low spot right here. It's a low spot somewhere up in here. So I gotta finish the back. The back is kind of a little bit more than the front and the sides. But through it, had to fill in a big low spot that was right here. But hey, this side is good though. So there's one more low spot up in here. In the front of it as well. But as y'all can see, I'm trying to get it leveled. It's part 2. I got the glass in there. Actually, I did a demo earlier. Open, close, you know, good. Top of it, it's a nice size roof. Trying to figure out where to mount my button. I got a center console I'm gonna get built for my big boy MB, so I might put it in there. But it's part 2. Next part will be when it's primed up and done. Keep y'all updated, YouTube. Till the end, I'm out. Good, YouTube. Go Tweet G back. Colors. I see you got that G6 in there. Ready for paint. My big boy, my big bro, MB, they did all the body work for me. As y'all know, I had to finish off the roof. It was a hole that was down there, and it was rusted out down there. He had took all the trim off, did it the right way. Took all my trim off like I asked him to. Yeah, it's ready. All that down there was rusty. I got another dope for it, so don't mind that dope. But it's ready for paint though. Did a good job on the roof though. Good job. But alright, YouTube, keep you updated and posted. I'm gonna go send it back to the interior shop so they can do my dashboard and my headliner. To the end of the night.